This is number 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns, Kabuyelo have lost their first for the first time in the season. They lost to Cape Town City by 1-0. With me here, I've got a Kabuyelo supporter.
Yeah, Mr. Henry.
Mr. Henry.
Yeah, supporter Nel Mafias West.
Nel Mafias West. How do you feel about the game today?
Today, marvelous. Mamelodi Sundowns play a marvelous modern football. We have false 9, false 7. We don't have position.
Everything is false.
It's false.
Even today,
we use midfield. That midfield of today.
Yeah.
It's not usually with that one we are going to use on the 1st of June.
Yeah.
On the
Most of you have got a lot of players.
The rotation is the rotation.
Yeah.
Because the only thing to rotate these players will go to the World Cup in Canada.
Yeah.
Where we are going to get the European style.
Exactly.
Yeah, they are going to. We represent Africa.
Yeah.
Experience of Tunisia, Wydad of Morocco,
and Egypt.
Egypt is Al Ahly, and then South Africa is Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
It's like this.
Yeah.
You see this one. And then the invitation from other side. When I see in Zurich, Switzerland, when the president of FIFA opened the envelope, when he turned his back, I see the emblem. I was happy.
The champions emblem.
To represent Africa.
Number one.
Even the legend of North Africa. They said Mamelodi Sundowns is the best in Africa. Is going to represent us good in World Cup, Club World Cup.
Number one
is good. When I talk about the legend, I talk about Mido. You know Mido of Egypt.
Overseas,
of Egypt.
Yeah.
And then Hassam.
Yeah.
I hear about that. Of Egypt. They said Mamelodi Sundowns. They surprised when he's out, beaten by Experience.
Yeah.
But that 0-0 draw, it was that one. You understand?
You were supposed to have scored.
And then if it was Mamelodi Sundowns, the way they play false positions all the time.
Yeah.
And then they play like a European style ball. You understand? Yeah, that's why they said when they go to overseas, it's where Sundowns is going to. They make sure they are sure about Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, sure.
No,
Mido. I talk about Mido.
I know Mido Hassam Hassan. But then thank you very much.
And then today, match for today. I say game committers. You are very lucky, ne? If it was final without a final on the 1st of June, it will be a miracle.
Because of you are saving your players.
I save a lot. I say,
and you lost, but you're not supposed to say. But it's okay. It's okay.
I'm happy. I'm happy with the loss.
No, thank you.
I'm happy, and I'm happy with everything. 29, 30 games.
One lose.
No.
Thank you very much.
I'm happy.
All the best in the final.
And then on the final, I want to meet you there.
No problem. I'll be there.